Are you looking for the best mattress topper? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best mattress topper on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best bang for your buck. The Lucid 5-Zone Lavender is fairly priced and one of our favorite toppers to sleep on. It features an ergonomic grid and a balanced foam density that feels neither too hard nor too soft. We found ourselves deep in comfort, looking forward to a night's sleep after placing this over a hard 10-year-old test mattress. It provides an excellent level of support that contours the body without swallowing you up, so restless sleepers are free to toss and turn with ease. Many of our testers loved the subtle lavender smell, which isn't overbearing and adds a nice scent to the room, though the Lucid is also available scent-free. The few disadvantages of this mattress topper include its warmth and the fact that it can't be washed. It lacks a cover. Since we sank into it so easily, it felt warmer than many other options we reviewed. Its interesting assortment of channel designs across the top doesn't significantly affect the overall thermoregulatory properties, and some of our testers found them mildly off-putting at first. Number 2. Best topper for serious softness. If you need serious support for your mattress, the TemperAdapt will probably disappoint. It's so pliable that it sacrifices the support many folks crave, particularly larger individuals who will more easily sink in without receiving much resistance. This intense level of sinkage also contributes to this model being one of the warmest options we tested, so we wouldn't recommend it to anyone who feels like they already sleep too warm. If you are among those who require something a bit more firm, but you equally don't want to sacrifice deep cushioning, take a closer look at the Softva Graphite Mattress Topper. It will tap your wallet a bit more heavily at purchase, but it will also do an excellent job regulating your body temperature at night while providing a nice balance between softness and support. We also found the corner elastics of the TemperAdapt too loose on our test mattresses, allowing the topper to slip a bit more than we'd like to see. And yet, if you're looking to transform your old hard mattress into something soft and plush, the TemperAdapt does it best. Number 3. Best synthetic filled pillow topper. This ultra plush option simulates a cloud-like sleep without too much support, making rolling or moving around easy. Unlike foam options, these materials offer good temperature regulation, adding warmth in cold weather without being too hot in the summer. And just like most comforters, you can simply toss this topper in the washing machine when it's time for cleaning. Like most other options built with the same materials, this product isn't as plush or supportive as high-quality memory foam. You can still feel the structure of your mattress underneath, so if you're looking to transform an old hard bed into something new and soft, this isn't the right choice. The classic topper also tends to shift quite a bit over several nights of sleep, even with its corner elastic bands. Still, if you seek a down alternative topper, this is the best one we've tested for its high loft, coziness, and easy cleaning. If you are equally open to memory foam toppers and want to stay in a similar price range,